Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 3 and name of the chapter 3 is the other uses of plants. Here you can see that I will teach you chapter 3 and other uses of plants. Other uses of plants. I will tell you what is the uses of the plants. So in this chapter we will discuss about what except the food items, what are the use of the plants, other uses of the plants except food. So you can see that plants are the cheap source of food. Everything, most of the edible items we are getting from the plants, and you know that plants are the cheap source of food. But except the food, what are other uses of the plant? So I will tell you in this chapter 3, other uses of plants. And I will tell you, first, we get wood from the plants. First one is the we get wood from the plants. We get wood from the plants. We get wood from the plants. So you know that we get many things from the plants, but different things are there. And now let us study about following things. First one, we get wood from the plants. First thing is the we get wood from the plant. So wood is the most useful material we get from plants, and it is used for making furnitures, doors, windows, sports goods and many other things. You know that we get wood from the plant. So wood is the most useful material that we get from the plants, and you know that it is used for making the furnitures, doors, windows, sports goods and many other things we are making from the wood. And such type of wood is called the timber. That such type of wood is called the, you can see that it is called the timber. It is called the timber. And teak, deodar, sisam and walnut are some timber giving trees. Firewood from the plants is used as fuel. Firewood we are getting from the plants, and that firewood we are used as the fuel. And dead leaves are used as the manures. Dead leaves are used as the manures. So timber, what is the timber? That's such type of wood we are making doors, furnitures and sports goods. That is called the timber. So I will draw the diagram of sports good things. You can see that this is the, what is this? This is the bat. This is the bat. And door, you can see that this is the door. And this is the door. And here this is the door. And after that, window, I will draw the diagram of the window. You can see that this is the window. This is door and window. So such type of wood is called the timber. Such type of wood is called the timber. We are making different item, that you can see that bat, door and window. And that is the firewood we used as the fuel, and dead leaves are used as the manure. Next I will tell you we get medicines from some plants. We get medicines from some plants. We get medicines from some plant. We get medicines from some plant. So plants like neem, tulsi, mint, ginger, turmeric and cinchona gives us medicines. Plants like the neem, tulsi, mint, ginger, turmeric and cinchona gives us medicines. And you know that quinine is obtained from the bark of the cinchona plant. I will tell you, quinine is obtained from the bark of cinchona trees. Bark of cinchona trees. Bark of cinchona trees. We get medicines from some plants. Some plants. So quinine, from where we obtain? Quinine is obtained from the bark of cinchona trees. Bark of cinchona trees, and it is the medicines used for malaria. It is used for malaria. Malaria. It is used for malaria. Then leaves of neem trees are used to wash wounds and boils. Leaves of the tulsi plant are used to treat diseases. Are different kinds of diseases. You can see that it used to treat fevers, cough and etc. Tulsi plant we are using, you know that if anyone is suffering from the fever, then we are making kadha, you know that, and we will take water, and that water we will put pepper and tulsi leaves of the tulsi, and different kinds of spices like clove and cardamom we will put there, and then we have to boil for some time. That is, nowadays we are using kadha for destroying or for destroying germs. Or in coronavirus we are you know that you heard that if we will take just like Nimbu Pani, we are telling that we are taking the Nimbu Pani, and this Nimbu Pani is used to kill the coronaviruses, and now we are using the kadha. So these are the materials while we are using to treat different kinds of diseases. And you know that many other herbs are also used to treat different kinds of diseases. Tulsi comes and tulsi, you know that not only tulsi plant, different kinds of plants we used as the medicines. So in this you can see that in case of neem leaves, you will see neem leaves, those who are suffering from any kind of wounds, then you can take the neem leaves and boil it, and when you have to take bath from that water, then it is good for the it destroy or it kills the germs. And many kinds of soaps are available in the market that is made from the neem leaves, made from the tulsi. So different kinds of, they are the plants that give us, they are the plants that give us, provide us medicines, and that is the other uses. Soaps it comes in the other uses. And you know that, so we can see that not only we are getting food from the plants, we are getting different kind of things from the plant. So plants are very useful to us. We can say that plants are very useful to us, and that plant is very good. So I am teaching chapter 2, and I will tell you in this chapter except the food items, what are the uses of the plant. So first I told you we get wood from the plants, and then second I told you we get medicines from some plants. So till here you will take revision.